All right, so we're gonna draw her face real quick. I'm gonna show you how to do something. I have a very glamorous style shot of drawing caricature. So what I'll do is I'll first just get my Crayola out, and I always start with, for me, I like to start with my big shapes first. So I'm gonna look at kind of what her face is shaped like in general. So all of this here just means she has like a flower pot shaped head to me. Like all heads have to be based off of something. Otherwise, what you're going to do is you're going to attempt to draw a portrait, and it's not going to work. Okay, so go here, put my hair. You see how I'm doing the whole hair shape? I'm not really trying to get all of the nuances of the hair within the inner hair, because you'll get like a much cleaner look if you think of the hair like this versus putting all of these lines inside of the hair first. So I try to go inside of the hair as minimally as possible. Okay, now from here, what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and I'm going to establish my center point. So where I want my nose to be at. She has a little bitty nose, so I'm just going to make a little bitty shape like that. And then I just give her a little smirky smile, right? And so she has full lips. So I'm going to do something that's really round like this. Okay, notice how I didn't copy the picture, so it feels like, you know what I mean? Now from here, what we'll do, we'll go ahead and we'll just look at her eyebrows here. So we could just do something like this here. Don't even worry about going over the lines. This happens in caricature all the time. Then you'll just connect this line here. And then here you can see what you want to do. So what I'll do here to make sure I got my eyes on point, I'm going to draw two lines like an equal sign. Right? And then I'll go ahead and I'll put my eyes in there. Okay, so I can see the picture already. Then I'll put this here over the top, and then watch. Then I'll form the eye to the specifications of the picture. So the biggest mistake you can do is don't draw yourself into a corner. Use things that'll allow you to adjust on the fly while you are doing your picture. Now once I get here, watch. I can add just some little shapes in here to enhance the hair, but I'm not going to do it a whole lot. You can tell when you're doing it too much, because then your hair will start looking really busy with a bunch of lines in it. Okay, now once I got that, I want to add my shoulder shape here. So again, I'm just going to think of it like, if you watch my scapula video, just watch your scapula. That's just basically these two bones that come off the side. So in my mind, I'm envisioning that her hair, her shoulders would drop off right here. So here I can see, I would logically see her collarbone, and then this, and then you see, just like that. All right, so let's go ahead and put some more eyelashes on it. Okay, and look how, and then we'll put a little thing right there. So boom, we done, right? All we got to do is come back with this marker here. Oh, I got another one, some gray, right? And then check this out. We'll just take that off, add a little bit of shadow here, 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 underneath the nose. And then I just do like a little circle in here like this, a little heart down here. Okay, maybe a little makeup up here, a little under the chin. All right, and if I want to add some to the hair, all right, I might just do it lightly. 1, 2, right, over here. And see this, you can do these lines with the gray, and you can even do this with color too. So it's kind of up to you how you want to work it. Okay. So pretty much I'm done. So that didn't take but just a moment to do. Remember, draw your head shape based off of something you feel like it looks like. Don't draw what it looks like, because if you do that, then you're going to be sitting here trying to exactly get the face this perfect way, but then you're going to miss the whole idea here of this, and this is to make a cartoon out of somebody. You get what I'm saying? So I hope that you enjoyed the video tutorial. I'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. Don't forget to come back and draw with the Rouser. Have a blessed and awesome day. And again, I'll see you next time.
Hello there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, you did? Well then, you see that subscribe button below? Push it. And after, push the bell icon next to it and select the all option. Then you will get notifications of all new uploaded videos and when I go live. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and check out these other videos for more cool stuff. Have a great day and happy penciling.